Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Samsung Messages app on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app and search Samsung Samsung Message. And if you want to install, click on app and click on install. You will see your Messages app is installed according to your internet connection. After install Messages app is showing on your app list. So you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Samsung Messages app on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.